Hello everyone, today I'm going to lead you to explore the beginning of the universe. I believe most of you are quite curious about how this tremendous, boundless universe came into being. In this talk, I'm going to explain to you the beginning of the universe with the Big Bang theory. Before we actually start, I'd like to introduce the contents of my talk today. First, I explain what the Big Bang theory is mainly about. Then I'll give you some observational evidence provided by different scientists. And lastly, I'll tell you some problems and the biggest mystery of the theory. So what is the Big Bang theory? The Big Bang theory is a cosmological model for the observable universe. The essence of the Big Bang theory is Big Bang, which is considered to be the beginning of the universe. Big Bang, from its name, is like a great explosion. It's quite similar to its true meaning, but it's not quite the same. Big Bang actually means the universe started as a single point, and it expanded until as large as it is right now. More importantly, the universe never stops expanding, which means that it is still expanding right now, every minute and every second. Note that this is not an ordinary point, but an unimaginably hot and dense point. It has extremely high pressure to cause the universe to expand rapidly, even faster than the speed of light. Apart from Big Bang, there are 4 other major events during universe formation. The first one is nucleosynthesis, when light elements like deuterium, helium started to form. The second one is recombination, around 380,000 years after Big Bang, when the atoms started to form as the universe had cooled down enough. The third one is reionization, occurring at a quite later stage, when the first stars and galaxies came into being. And the last one is the birth of our solar system. So you can see that universe formation is a quite complex process, consisting of countless different stages. Next, let's see some observational evidence. Edwin Hubble first found that the galaxies are always moving away from each other. And in 1964, based on the cosmic microwave background spectrum collected, Penzias and Wilson concluded that the universe is always expanding. So both of these 2 observations suggested that the original universe was not at the same size as it is today. So everything might begin as a single point. However, the Big Bang theory still has many problems. It has violated quite a number of existing laws, including the law of entropy. And also horizon problem, flatness problem cannot be properly explained by the theory. The biggest mystery about the Big Bang theory is that we know nothing about what had happened before the single point. We don't know how the single point had emerged from nothing. So the Big Bang theory is still under modification, and one day it might become a perfect model to explain the beginning of the universe, or it might be overthrown by other models. So this is the end of my talk. Thank you for listening.